Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back. On this beautiful Tuesday, I send you a ray of sunshine, a heartfelt belly chuckle, and the scent of pineapples and mangoes. Delicious. I was wondering over the last couple of days, as I was observing my energy, how it was shifting, how I choose my environments to be in. I know that I tend to pick up a lot of energy from my environment, so I'm very deliberate in which environments I put myself. And that means when I'm in a new environment, I get to feel into, oh, what's that like in a new physical environment? And how does my body feel? How are my energy levels going up or going down? And is there a lot going on or a little going on? And currently, maybe you can hear a bit from the background, there is a bit more going on, and I'm not that used to it. And it reminded me of a beautiful piece of research about attention-restorative environments by Kaplan and Kaplan. It's research from the 90s. And it says that for all the things that we get to actively do, beautiful, like put out some energy, get some things done, put your creative juices into something, and then find an attention restorative environment. And while we often like to take a time out watching a movie or maybe go into a sports game or something like that, that is a way to get your mind off the thing, and it's not quite an attention restorative environment because you still have a lot of input then, different kind of input. So attention restorative environments are usually nature environments where we get to relax a bit. And that means maybe away from traffic noise, maybe away from city noise or construction noise. It turns out that we humans are kind of made of frequency. And that is a beautiful thing because it also means we can use frequency to restore ourselves really well by listening to music that has the right wavelengths that are good for us, that is calming, that is harmonizing, or by spending time in a natural environment and these nature sounds. Maybe it's the wind in the leaves, as you may be able to hear in the background. Maybe it is water running, whether it's ocean waves or a little river floating by. And maybe it is the birds chirping in the forest. So whatever your attention restorative environment is, your favorite one, I invite you to go spend some time in that today. Even if you can only go for half an hour, 15 minutes. Doesn't matter. Or it does matter. Like every minute counts. Like the time that we invest in ourselves, the time that we spend truly enjoying being. I love you very much. Also, we finally have the research on the breathwork published. I'm going to link it in the notes below, the officially peer-reviewed research, and there you can read up on what additional practices you can do in terms of using your breath to calm down and restore your nervous system. And I'll be happy to talk more about that some other time. Sending you so much love. Take good care of yourselves.